If your profile doesn't sell you, nothing else will. Seriously, on Upwork, your profile is your storefront, your resume, your sales pitch, your elevator speech, all rolled into one. So if it's generic or if it sounds like every other newbie freelancer, you're invisible. But the good news, most people get this wrong. And that means you have a massive chance to stand out. I went from $5 job to earning $100 an hour on Upwork, and none of it would have happened without a profile that made clients stop scrolling and say, "This is the one." And today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do the same. There is a sneaky reason most profiles don't convert, and we'll get to that in a second. But first, sit back, relax, let's dive in. My goal is to help 1,000 freelancers grow to six-figure for free, and it all starts here. Let's break your profile down into 4 pieces: your title, your overview, your portfolio, and your proof. Each one needs to do a very specific job, like a mini marketing funnel. First, your title. It's not your job title, it's your client magnet. It should say what you do, who it's for, and the biggest benefit you bring. For example, instead of web developer, say conversion-focused web developer for e-commerce brands. Simple tweak, huge difference. The goal here isn't creativity, it's clarity plus confidence. If your title doesn't make your ideal client nod their head, you're losing them. Second, your overview. This is where 90% of freelancers mess up. Why? Because they write about themselves. "I'm passionate about design. I've always loved writing. I'm a hard worker." Cool? So is everyone else. What clients really want to hear is what you can do for them. Your first 2 lines should speak directly to their pain point. For example, struggling with slow website conversions? I help e-commerce stores turn traffic into sales with fast, clean, and conversion-optimized code. That's how you hook them. Then break it into short sections, no wall of text. Use bullet points, brag a little but with proof, and always end with a call to action. Ready to boost your sales? Let's chat. Don't just say "thank you for reading." That's a waste of space. Next, your portfolio. Listen closely here. You don't need a million projects. You need 2 or 3 great ones. Each portfolio item should include a screenshot, a short story, what the client needed, what you did, what the results were, and visuals that look clean and professional. If you're new and don't have real clients yet, build a few fake projects. Seriously, treat them like real ones and use them to show your skills. Clients care about results, not whether you were paid. Now, fourth piece, proof. And by proof I mean reviews, testimonials, and anything that builds trust. When you're starting out and don't have this yet, your proof becomes your process. Say exactly how you work. Outline your steps. Set clear expectations. That creates confidence, and confident clients are the ones who buy. But here's the secret sauce most people miss: positioning. Don't sell yourself as a do-it-all freelancer. Be a solution to a specific problem. That's why I eventually focused on Drupal development for agencies, and it's why I kept getting hired. Specialists get hired more than generalists, even if they have less experience. So pick your niche and go all in. If you just follow these tips, you will be ahead of 90% of other freelancers. So let's recap. Nail your title, lead your overview with a pain point, show real value in your portfolio, and position yourself as a solution, not a service provider. That's how you turn views into clients. If this helped you, hit subscribe, it tells me to keep making videos like this. And if you're wondering how to get that first 5-star review that makes your profile unstoppable, I break it all down in the next video. Don't miss it!